Here is the dining room area. So, wooden table and chairs. This is the living room. LCD TV. Nice couch. Coffee table. Here's the balcony. Let's open it, have a look. But I like to have plants, so this was for the flower and the plants before. You would like to drawing pictures, so it's all double glazed the window. Have a look at the view here. Let's go back to the apartment. This little flavor of Chinese antique furniture. Let's go to the master bedroom. This is a nice bathroom. Look at this. Very modern style. This is the guest bathroom with the washing machine. Big closet. Guest bedroom. Piece of antique furniture. Have a look at the kitchen. There is a dishwasher and an oven here. Big fridge, Siemens. It's a nice open kitchen here. Sofa bed, bookshelf. It's an office room. Very bright. They have good lights here. Very spacious. And there's a balcony. Lovely. Cute.